Coming back to the exercise 5.2 in arithmetic progression, we are going to see sixth problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So in this problem, we want to check minus 150 is present in the sequence. So he needs you to find out your n. So he has given an is equal to minus 150 here. So where a is equal to 11 from this sequence and your common difference d is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus of 3, and he has given an is equal to minus 150. In the nth term expansion, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150, where a is 11 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 3, which is equal to minus 150. We need to find out your n here. So we are going to take this 11 to that side. So n minus 1 into minus 3, which is equal to minus of 150, plus 11 becomes minus 11. So you will have n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus of 161, where n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 divided by minus 3. Minus gets cancelled. So you will have n minus 1 is equal to 161 by 3, where n is equal to, taking your minus 1 to that side, becomes 161 by 3 plus 1. Using shorter way of LCM, when you simplify, you will get 161 plus 3, it becomes 164 by 3. So which is equal to 54 2 by 3. So which is not an integral number. So your minus 150 is not a term of this sequence. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So he has given the 11th term A11 as 38 and 16th term A16 as 73. So let us write A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73. He needs to find out 31st term, that is A31. What will be the number present in the 31st position? So here I am just expanding using my nth term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is your 11. So I will get a plus 11 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 10d. So a plus 10d is equal to 38. Call this as equation 1. Now a16 is a plus 15d is equal to 73. Call this as equation 2. I am going to solve your equation 1 and 2 to get the value of d or your a. So let us write the first equation. A plus 10d is equal to 38. Second equation, a plus 15d is equal to 73. Now solving this equation, so I am just, see here you have two plus signs for a. I am just changing for the second equation. So here plus becomes minus. So plus a minus a gets cancelled, plus 10d minus 15d minus 5d, which is equal to minus 73 plus 38. It becomes minus of 35. Minus gets cancelled. D value is equal to 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. Now our motto is to find out A13. So for A13, we need to find out A value. Substituting the D value is equal to 7 in the equation 1. So where you will get A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7, which is equal to 38. A is equal, A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus of 70. So we get A value as minus 32. Now I am going to substitute here. A is equal to minus 32 and D is equal to 7 in my A31, where I am expanding A31 as a plus 30d, where my a is minus 32 plus 30 into d value is 7, which is equal to minus 32 plus 210, which is equal to minus of 178, where your 31st term number will be minus 1. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find its common difference. So in this problem, he has given that the 17th term is exceeding your 10th term by 7. So we are going to write that A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. So here I am going to use my nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So where I got for A17 as A plus 16d. Here A plus 9d plus 7, and bringing your a and d to the other side, it becomes a plus 16d minus a minus 9d, which is equal to 7, plus a minus a gets cancelled, 16d minus 9d, which is equal to 7d. 7d is equal to 7, which implies d is equal to 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1, where the common difference equal to 1 for this AP. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find its 20 term. So in this problem, he has given totally 50 terms, where n is equal to 50, and he has given third term is 12, A3 is 12, and the last term, so last term will be your AN. So AN he has given as 106. He need to find out his 29th term. So he has given n is equal to 50, A3 is equal to 12, that is third term, and last term is your AN, which is equal to 106, where your nth position will be your 50. So he needs to find out your A29 value. So now I am going to use my nth term value here to find out your A and D, and I am going to substitute in A29. Using nth term value, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So I get A3 as A plus 2D, which is equal to 12, and your AN, where my nth position is 50. So I am writing here as A50 is equal to 106, which further if I expand, I will get A plus 49D, which is equal to 106. I am calling this as equation 2 and this one as equation 1. Now I am going to simplify solving equation 1 and equation 2 to get my value of A and D. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. Now I am changing sign for your second equation. So plus becomes minus. Here plus becomes minus. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. So you will have minus 49D plus 2D. So I will get minus 47D, which is equal to minus 106 plus 12. I will get minus 94. So plus minus minus cancels on both sides. So you will get 47D is equal to 94, where D is equal to 94 divided by 47, which is equal to 2. So I got the common difference as 2. Now I want to find out my A value. Substituting D is equal to 2 in equation 1. Substituting a D value is equal to 2 in the equation 1, I will get A plus 2 into D value is 2, which is equal to 12. So A plus 4 is equal to 12. So which implies A is equal to 12 minus of 4, which is equal to 8. Now to find out A29, so in this we got A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2. I am going to substitute here, where my A29 is using my AN expansion. So A plus 28D, 8 plus 28 into 2, 8 plus 56, which is equal to 64. So my 28th term will be 64. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So in this problem, he is asking that at what value of your n you will be having your an as 0. So he has given the problem, the third term is equal to 4 and the ninth term is equal to minus 8. Here in the sequence A and D are not given. So we are going to find out your A and D value from this expression and we are going to substitute in this an which is given as 0. So I am going to substitute A and D after finding from this two terms. I am going to substitute in an is equal to 0. So A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 4, calling this equation as 1. And second one, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8, equation 2. I am expanding using an formula. I am going to solve these two equations. So A plus 2D is equal to 4, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So I am changing sign. A plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled. So here you will have minus 6D. So plus 8 and plus 4 becomes plus 12. So which implies D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. So I am going to substitute D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1 to get my value for A, where my first equation is A plus 2D is equal to 4. So A plus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 4. A minus of 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So I got A value as 8 and D value as minus 2. I am going to substitute in my an is equal to 0, where my an expression is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 0, where A value is 8 and n minus 1 into D value is minus 2, which is equal to 0. So I am taking this plus 8 to the other side. It becomes minus 8. So n minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Now taking this minus 2 other side, I will get n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. Cancelling on both sides, I will get n minus 1 is equal to 4, where n is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So I got n as 5. So in my fifth position, I will get my an as 0 in this AP.